Hello, today we are going to learn how to use auto zooming in and out in your video by using OpenShort video editor. It's very easy and useful. So let's get started. First we have to open our video. Right click, select import file. From there we have to import our file. Open. We have to drag this file into our timeline. Properties, from properties, everything is very important. Scale X, scale Y, and location X, location Y. Those 4 items we have to use for auto zooming in and out. And if we select location X 0.25 and location Y 0.25, we can see a black area in left side black area in our canvas. That means when it's zoom, this area going to appear. If you select 0 y0, then we can see. Actually, we have to understand properly. Then location X and location Y how work. That's the most important thing actually. If we know which option or which portion we have to use when, then we can easily animate our video or easily create animated zoom in our video. By selecting -0.25, we can see right side blank. If it is 0, then full canvas is okay. No, top side blank, then when we are going to make zoom, then top side will appear. If it is minus, then downside, bottom side blank. We have to use location X and location Y several times during our zooming in and out, animated zooming in and out. If we both select location X and location Y, this area will be zooming. If we select both location X 0.25, location Y 0.25, then left and top side will be zooming. Also we can drag this after selecting in center point, we can drag this, increase or decrease our canvas or video looking area. Okay. Let's adjust our screen for proper fit. And actually we have to cut our video with the portion we want to zoom in. After selecting clip, right click for properties. From here animation. First you have to select animation. From animation zoom, and then zoom in 100 to 150. And then you can see a dot. green 2 dot in the beginning of this clip. Again we have to select animations, and now end clipped, zoom and 150 to 100. That means that when clip started, first it started from 100 portion to 150, and when it closed, it will close from 150 to 100. Zooming goes to 150 to 100. You can see it's zooming, but right now it's zooming center, main point. But we can see our menu bar. From here we have to location X, 0.25. Now we can see our menu item appear, business. And we have to right click and select liner. Always select liner. Both scale X and scale Y. We will select liner, and we select 1.5. In both X and Y, we will select 1.5. 1 is the whole portion. As it is zooming, then it should be 1.5. Again we are selecting liner and selecting liner here as well. Now we can see there's a black area in our videos, top side and left side. From first frame, by dragging first frame we have to select 0. Location X and location Y both we have to select 0. That means that when it's starting with 0. By zooming, it's increase, and behind the screen, OpenShort software automatically creates some frame for zooming. Now we can see it's easily open in a corner by zooming, and we can see both our invoice, stock, bill to pay, and others item. Those area in zoom portion. After zooming second dot from third dot, we can see our bottom portion. Now we have to make it minus 0.25 to view our bottom portion. Again we have to select liner. Now dragging to see actually how it's adjusted. Please excuse me if my English language is not good enough. I think it's okay. And our top area, our top side, video, top area of this video is becoming a little fat. In closing of our video, select the last frame. Select the last frame and make it 0. Both location X and Y. Make both location X and Y 0. After again select liner. This will smooth our video zooming. otherwise we'll see some difficulties. Let's check by playing. Yeah, it's zooming. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Again, we have to cut our video, the portion we want to add zooming. We can see it's yeah, it's main of this video. Let's add again. And animation, from start zoom 100 to 150, and we can see two blue dot in the beginning of this clip. Again again we have to select animation in zooming actually. End of the clip, zoom 100 to 150 to 100, and we can see two blue dot. That means that it's first start zoom from 100 to 150, and then it's close 150 to 100. Again we have to select this area, we can see this area, liner, again it's liner, 1.5, scale 1.5, we can see some black line here. Right now select location X and location Y both 0.25, 0.25, and by right clicking select liner, and drag it forward, and in fast frame, from fast frame, location X and location Y both will be 0. Okay, now it's all screen. Yeah, now I think it's okay. We have to check every frame. Make it 2520 because in our video, we can see our whole menu. Some portions are omitted. Now we can see. Okay, let's play. I think it's okay. Yeah, our menu can see. I can see my menu, drop down menu menu item first. Again we have to select this 2.2 location Y. We have to select location Y 2.2. That means that when it started, it will start from 100 to 25, and when it's turn out, actually we have to check our menu all item, and at the same time when it's go up, then we have to we have to change our location to see where is our menu item. Okay, now I think it's okay. When it's zooming close, we can see both black area. We have to select last frame of this black area, and both location X and location Y have to 0, and make it liner. I think it's okay. Let's play. Yeah, I think it's look good. Let's see how it's close. Yeah, it's fantastic. Actually, we already complete 2 clips. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a like on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, and also requesting for your comments. Thank you.